Hi guys, Greg Hollier again, and this is episode 4 of our DIY caravan build, and I've got two things we are super excited about. So let's play that intro and let's get into it.
Take me away, right from the start, we'll blow away every piece and part.
Alright, you may remember in the last episode we were looking at, and I was trying to build and finish off the rear wheel carriers. Well, it is done. Here we go. So with that all done, lights on, wheels assembled, we are ready to rock and roll. So what I did is just added some little turnbuckles here. So these, if we can make them out, there we go. They hold it up. Simply undo the locking nut. And we're away. So that's done, all the lighting's done, all the brakes are on, tested, safety inspections passed, roads and traffic authority measured, checked, done, tested, we're good. So inside now, just finishing off the settee for everything there, and I'll show you that when we're actually out next week using it. Now, the second thing I wanted to talk to you about was we have just launched our new website, which we're super excited about, which is campedia.com.au. We've got over, I think it's 8,000 or 9,000 rest areas around Australia, so free camps, a couple of thousand or more caravan parks as well. And we're now connecting to those caravan parks as well, so you guys can book online. So go and check out Campedia. If it's absolutely free, there's no login required. If you do want to use the save your properties to your favorites or use the trip planner, which is pretty cool, allows you to set multiple day trips and plan where you want to go and see. You do have to register, which is a simple process, everything's safe and secure. But yeah, look, as soon as we're out there, we'll start sharing more info about that as well. So look, not a huge video today, but we are just registered, we're good to go. Maybe I'll give you a quick sneak peek of what the dining room table looks like. It's not completed yet, but it's just been finished being lacquered. Cheers guys, let's go and have a look at that. Alright, so that was a quick sneak peek at the table and the floor that will go under the table. So look guys, I'll put the link to the website below, campedia.com.au. If you have any questions, and thank you for everyone that's been asking questions about the van, I hope I've been able to answer them okay for you. Look, I'm just pumped. I've got another week of work this week. The family are they've actually gone away for a week, leaving me alone. Obviously I will put a link below to the website. I will, any questions, and thank you everyone for the questions. I think I've already actually said that. But look, we're excited to get out there. We've actually planned to be away next week. If we can book in anywhere, we've left it a little bit late. The other thing as well, hey, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you love the video, hey, subscribe to our channel, keep updated. Also, I'll put a link across to our Campedia Facebook page as well. So the guys that are following us here, you may want to jump over there and check out what we're doing over there. I'll be doing more of just the build stuff here and on this Facebook page and YouTube favorites channel. And the Campedia traveling stuff, we'll be filming a lot of this stuff, will be over on the Campedia page. So look guys, hey, thanks for watching. Thank you everyone for your support. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the little bell if you want to be notified next time I put up a video. And stay tuned, stay happy, stay camping. Talk to you soon.